the sea emergency?
Lee's freaking out. That. Oh yeah, and look, update, Lena dyed her hair.
Hot red.
It's red, no, go in the sun. Yeah, look at that. Wow. And I still look like a chicken with my haircut. Oh.
I like that painting.
That's a beautiful painting. Wow.
Bonjour. On est trois pour déjeuner. Voilà, on va faire ça. Merci. It's like a tail.
Wabba wabba wabba. It's a little like, what do they call them?
The wiener doggy.
It's a wiener doggy.
You're playing with your food, it's like yours.
Ruff, ruff.
What do you think about your child doing this?
It's like going back in time 5 years.
Au-dessus, c'est un pourcentage qui prennent. 4 et les cartes postales, il y en a 2.
Ah, le sanglier.
Merci.
Merci, au revoir.
Voilà. Merci, bonne journée, au revoir.
It's so pretty. We're heading back to the car now. That's not our car. Quick little hour stop in this place because the parking is only there for an hour. So we got a quick lunch, explored the city a teensy bit, got some postcards, some lavender presents for all of our friends back at home. And yeah, now we're heading to the Gorge of Verdun, an absolute gorgeous place right up here, which basically is like a giant lake of clear water. And there's a cool like pass through the mountains. And we're gonna go kayaking in it, I think. Maybe, we'll see.
Or paddleboarding.
Or paddleboarding, something along that.
Ah, my toes hurt.
Aqua adventure. And yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. Let's drive away. Are you going in the front seat? Imagine if you just drove away. Someday Lena will be able to drive. That's gonna be crazy.
I lost the key. It fell through the seat.
What do you mean? You lost the key.
It like fell through. Wait, never mind, I got it. Wait, no, it's stuck in between the wire.
Neck and neck.
No, it just fell through. It's under your seat.
Where is it?
It's under it. It's like under your seat.
This is a great camera angle.
Ow.
So I don't have to freak out.
Anyway, finished up the little adventure through the town.
I got the keys.
Some people watching me right there. What's up, guys? Get copyrighted, chill out. And then, hey, my hair's not that bad.
Yeah, it
Let
is.
me look at you. It
Dang.
might be. Let me see your hair.
I'm getting roasted.
What did they do to your haircut? It's like, I don't know what they did to your hair. It's crazy. You need to wear your hat. I'm sorry. We're gonna have to fix it when we get home. Je ne comprends pas.
Alright, hat's back on, guys. I'm getting roasted by my family.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
No.
It looks like a chicken. They got like.
You're cute.
Had a seizure
It's just
because
that
it
they
just
did a
went all the
crazy
way
haircut. They always
upwards.
fringe it. At least you're not wearing those pants.
Probably the.
So yeah, we're going to the Gorge de Verdun. Crystal clear giant blue lake, and we're gonna go kayaking, droning, all the fun stuff. And you don't want to, you do want to stay tuned because later on I'm gonna be going back to the lavender fields and I'm gonna be droning there at sunset, and you don't want to miss out on that. So yeah.
Est-ce que je descends par là ou par ici? Je ne sais même pas. On verra bien.
Yeah. All right. Bye.
way down here?
Yes.
What's up?
We're gonna like rent a boat or kayak, some kind of thing. There's like rentals over there. And then hopefully I don't get incredibly burnt. Can you sit in my lap?
Voilà pour aller voir les gorges. L'aller-retour peut se faire en 1 heure, 1h15, 1h20.
I'm kind of happy right now. I get to sit in my middle spot between two people.
It is the easy job.
Kind of getting rained on though by all the paddles.
Can we just talk about how cheap this is?
It was cheap.
15 euros for an hour.
15 euros for an hour?
Yeah, it'll be our paddle day.
This is the Storm, the little one that kind of looks like Abe Lincoln right there.
Hi guys, I want to say that this is awesome. I've never done this and I've always wanted to. When we came in March, it wasn't open, so this is so cool. It's beautiful.
This is really
Look at
cool.
the blue water. It's like insane.
Sun's out.
I've never seen water this blue.
All those bats are birds flying.
Okay, well, let's see my nose again. Damn, I'm tan.
Are you?
I'm white.
Hop là, on ralentit un peu.
You can get a gun.
Ouais, c'est très bien, ouais. Comme ça. Est-ce qu'il y a c'est pas très vite. Oh là là là. C'est de froid. That one is just. Oh.
Look at all the birds, they're going crazy. Dang. Look at this road. It's a cool park.
Nancy.
Look at the clouds. Listen to that. It's raining and we're out here chasing lavender fields in a thunderstorm. It's getting crazy, but hey, we're out here. Look at this. Beauty, lavender. What do you guys have to say?
I can't even believe we just ran into our friends in a lavender field. That might be the craziest part. Right, Lena?
Don't get run over. Whoa! I got it! I got it! I got it on video!
On to the left into it. Like so radical.
Whoa! These are sunflowers. Oh my god. Yeah, just turn in right here from parking.
I'm gonna go left.
Oh, left. Okay. Whoa!
So like, it's like that show, the zombie show.
Look at this. Oh my god. And we're just gonna send it going off-road. We're just straight. All the lighting's back there.
Look at the lavender in front of us.
Look at this. Lavender and sunflower. What do you think about all this, Lena?
I don't like it.
You're scared of lightning? And thunder?
The lightning won't do anything other than fry it to the crisp.
What's all
The
this?
beehives.
Oh, good beehives. Oh, I hope the bees are
Oh, we gotta save the bees.
Should we be going this way? Holy shit, we're in like a huge storm. Left.
Whoa. Sure.
That's the domaine de Belleterre.
Whoa.
Go down there.
There's a car over there. Let's just go straight. This way.
We're gonna change
Oh.
our blood sugar.
Oh. Oh. I hope I got that on video. I'm gonna try going left. Whoa. Where are we? Lena's freaking out. The car's gonna like break down. You're gonna like stuck out here. Lena's like not laughing at all.
This is epic.
Oh, there's a highway down there, so this is the right
we're
direction.
good. No, I can tell from here we're good. We just have to get down here.
No, we're not. We're in the middle of nowhere. Freaking
This is where we started. This is where we just were.
With Nancy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're turning
Hold on,
right.
listen.
Hey! Hey! What do you mean listen? You
Turn
just
the right? Go right?
Yes.
Are we going home?
Yes, right?
Is it done?
I don't know. Are we
So
done?
fun.
Let's continue. Let's go this way.
Let's go a little bit more.
We're going this way.
What are you gonna do? Go home more?
Whoa, stop that
I
this way.
can't see because you've got the camera blocking my sight. Can you move the
After
camera?
this, you can go.
Okay, thank you.
Send it.
Fly out of here.
Oh, I got that one on video! Heck yeah! Whoa! Hey, it's okay, Lena. Whoa!
So lavender.
This is epic.
Yeah,
I got that on video! Oh my god, my camera's about to put out of battery. This is so sad.
that long. Do you want to tell us it?
Whoa!
Have you saw?
I think I got it.
Wow, that was
Oh my god! The camera.
What is it telling me to do?
Unfortunately, my camera has like 5% battery, so this might be it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this crazy adventure.
Are we going straight or left?
Straight. Oh, got it! Woo-hoo!
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.